What's up, beautiful bells? Today I'm sharing a mini tutorial on how I achieve these gorgeous blue eyes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button to see more. I started off with a transition color that's close to my skin tone. You always want to start off with a transition color that will help your other colors to blend. Next, I took a darker color and applied that to my crease to deepen my crease. And you always want to use windshield wiper motions going back and forth to blend. Next, I take a highlighting shadow to highlight my brow bone. And now for the fun part, I'm going to start adding colors to my eyelid. The look I'm going for is a blue and green halo. So I started off with the blue in the inner corner of my eyelid and also on the outer corner of my eyelid. And you want to do this by using tapping motions to get a good payoff from your shadows. I'm using shadows from Coastal Scents 252 palette. It's really affordable. The colors are highly pigmented and they give me a really good payoff. I didn't even need to wet my brush. So in the center of my eyelid, I placed a beautiful green color to give me that halo effect. So I'm just tapping that on as well. And go back in with my crease color to blend out the edges. Now to line my lash line, I'm taking this fine tip liner, liquid liner from NYX Cosmetics. I really like this liner, guys, because it's so easy to use, giving you a precise line every time. And I'm not going to do anything crazy today. I'm just going to make a mini wing. And then I'm going to move on to my waterline, which I used a black pencil to line that waterline. Now I'm taking that green shadow I placed on the center of my lid and I'm just going to use it to smudge out the bottom of my lash line. So I'm using Revlon's lash curler to curl my lashes before I apply my false lashes. And I'm also using their new Volumazing mascara that's infused with olive oil. For lashes, I'm using the Wispy lashes from Cara Lashes. They are so easy to apply because the lash band is so thin and they give you this natural look. So I'm just going to reline my lash line to hide that lash band. And that's it, guys. Here's the finished look. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching my video and remember to think beautiful, be beautiful.